Today, I am going to tell you difference between Trojan bot and Nova. Trojan bot is an automated trading bot that supports cryptocurrency, forex, and stock markets. It is known for its ultra-fast execution speeds and AI-powered risk management, providing traders with reliable risk control and optimized trade execution. While Trojan bot offers a professional-focused user interface, its customization options are moderate, relying primarily on preset strategies. Security is a key feature with anti-malware protection and high-level encryption ensuring safe trading. Backtesting is available with an emphasis on accuracy, allowing traders to refine their strategies. TrojanBot follows a flexible pricing model, offering both one-time purchases and monthly subscription plans. Nova, in contrast, is a more sophisticated AI-driven trading bot that integrates deep learning and neural network-based analysis to optimize trade decisions. It supports forex, stocks, and crypto markets, excelling in high-frequency trading with AI-enhanced execution. Unlike TrojanBot, Nova offers extensive customization, allowing users to create smart automated strategies. It features AI-powered fraud detection and predictive risk management, ensuring a highly secure and intelligent trading environment. Nova also provides an advanced and customizable user interface, catering to traders who require detailed insights and complex execution strategies. With a tier-based pricing structure and enterprise solutions, Nova is best suited for expert traders and institutions seeking maximum control and AI-driven precision in their trades.